Okay guys, welcome to this live support on demand edition where I'm going to talk about how you can stream to for any Facebook page, to your timeline, to your group. The method's the same. So Facebook changed the API, so it made it hard to select your page or your groups, and they keep changing things. So a while ago you could select your timeline, your page, but I think that, I don't know, they're messing around with it, so I'm not even bothering, and I just can't be bothered with it, because using RMTP, which is what I use all the time, I don't even need to think about that. So what is RMTP? It's just another way of connecting to a source such as Facebook or Twitch or YouTube that you can use, and it's across the board. So if you learn this method and you just get in the habit of using it, then you don't really need to worry about selecting from Zoom, like post to YouTube, post to Facebook. You just use custom streaming. Okay, so I'm going to now jump into a screen share to you to see, and here we go. We got it here, and there I am, and this is just a live stream that I'm going to set up now. Okay, and then I'm going to connect it to this Facebook page. It really doesn't matter where. Now I could do this into an event as well if I wanted to, but I'm going to post it straight on my timeline as the question was asked. Let's start our live session. So I'm going to go and create a live. I'm going to call this test. This is just for this, and I'll set the time to maybe 8 AM, which is now, actually make 8:10, and Zenler Zoom, we just do 15 minutes. I don't need to do any more than that, and select the time zone. There we go, and click create. Okay, so my Zenler Zoom live stream is now set up, and I can now start this live. So I'm going to start this live now. Hit start, and it will connect to Zoom now that I've got. There's my Zoom. I just need to change a few things because I'm using a camera for this. 2 seconds. Okay, I'm set up. So let's now go to my window. Here's our Zoom window. I'm going to turn this on now, and there I am there, and in the corner. Hello, hello. And now I'm going to go to more. And where I go to live stream, I'm going to go live custom live streaming service. Okay, I'm going to click that. It's going to open up this, okay, as a new tab, and now I'm ready to put my information into here. So let's jump back to Facebook. This is a Facebook page. I'm going to click inside here to start a new post, and I'm going to go to the 3 dots, and I'm going to click live video. I'm now going to click go live, and inside this area I will set up my RMTP. I already did a video on this, but I'm doing this into page, exactly the same. So where you've got in here, you can select media source and all these things. I'm going to go to streaming software. This is going to give me a stream key, but I need a few things here. I need to open this up and use this and the URL as well of my page. All I need to do then is to copy certain things. So I'm going to copy this stream key. I'm going to put that stream key into there by pasting. I'm going to go into copy the server URL in here. Oh, sorry. That's and the stream key goes in there. Copy, and then I'm going to put my group in here. You might need to flick a new page up. It's good to keep your page so that you can flick that up as well. So I'm just going to bring the page up so I can grab the URL. Okay, that's my page. Copy, I'm going to put, sometimes I get this round the wrong way, live streaming page URL there, okay? And now we're going to click go live. So when I hit go live, it's going to take these settings and it's going to connect to Zoom that I just set up, okay? So let's click go live here. And it won't actually go live till you hit the button, so that's a good thing to remember, okay? You don't need to worry about that. It will then open the page up that you connected to. So here it is here. Okay, so it's opened the page up, but we're going to jump back to here, and what you're going to see now is we're ready to go live. So I can basically close these two tabs down, okay? And I am live inside here. So I'm not live yet, and if you look down here it says please add a live title. So you need to be making sure, I'm going in the group, so I need to put what the title is about. We're just going to call this test stream, okay? Welcome to another live. Now once I hit this save, it will then have this option to go live. Now I'm ready, so this will post to my group and you will see this. I'm just going to do a quick live now and you will see it in the group. So I'm going to get ready and do this live now. So click go live. I'm just testing this using RMTP from Zoom onto my Facebook page, just for live support. If you want to see this video, guys, you can check out the Zenler main group and the video will be uploaded in a few minutes when I finish this broadcast. So there you can see that I'm actually live now. So when I finish my live, I'm going to hit end live video here. I'm going to end this and it will now be in my time, in my page. So let's go view post. I'm just testing this. And there we go. You can see that I'm live inside my Facebook page. And if I refresh this in here, I'm going to appear as a post in there. And that's it. There we go. You can see it's in there. Now obviously this is a test, so I'm going to delete it out. And we are finished. And that, guys, is how you do it. Then I can just click end now, end meeting for all, and it's done. And that is it, okay? So pretty simple, just need to go through those steps and you will be fine. And like I said to you before, I use RMTP for everything I do. So even on YouTube, you can set up that same standard. I'll quickly show you that now. I'm on YouTube. If I go down to go live, you're going to see that it will throw up the YouTube Creator Studio. And okay, so this is not, I haven't got many subscribers on here, so it's not going to let me do that. I'm just going to switch to another account. Okay, so I'm on YouTube. I'm going to go to go live, and now I'm going to have similar settings to what I had before. So if I click on stream here, you can see that it's loading in our stream settings, and inside here we'll have the same option. So do you see inside here we've got a default stream key, a stream URL, and this has got a backup. So the only URL you need is that one, and you can put that one into the other, or you can put Zenler, your YouTube channel. So in our case, zenler.com/@Zenler, and that's using RMTP in there, so for the streaming. So you can also do it from there as well. Now I think in Zoom, YouTube stream still works. You can still select a source in there, but like I said, I always do it this way. And that is all there is to it. So this is an on-demand video because I couldn't do this live because I'd be streaming, and I'd be streaming, it would be very complex. So there you go. Hopefully that answers your question.